Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how S&P 500 sectors are performing. So in this Excel sheet I have combined all S&P 500 sector indexes: consumer discretionary, consumer staples, energy, financials, healthcare, industrials, information technology, materials, real estate, telecom services, and utilities. The data I have is from 1989 till 2020 August. Only one sector, real estate, has data from 2001 till August 2020. In next tab, I have made a pivot table, and this pivot table is made based on yearly average prices of each sector index. As you can see, from starting point 1989, prices are slightly similar. So in this graph, you can clearly see which sector is outperforming and which sector is underperforming. Starting from first, this one is information technology. As you can see, information technology sector is outperforming and is number one among indexes. The second sector is healthcare, and the third is consumer discretionary sector. The underperforming sector is telecom services. As you can see from pivot table, telecom services jumped from 94 to 178, almost doubled. But first outperforming sector, information technology, jumped from 66 to 1718. This is, let's see, 26 times more than in 1989.